Okay, guys, so the next one I want to do is the log equations of second degree. Log equations are pretty simple. All you do is use your log rules. So, like this has a negative in between. Remember, negative is division. If it was a plus in between, plus is multiplication. So, I'm going to simply put this together by dividing it. Log base 3 of 4x squared minus 4 divided by 4x plus 1 is equal to 1. Since it's base 3, that means I can raise it to the third power. So I raise both sides to the third power to get rid of the log. So now this cancels out. You have 4x squared minus 4 over 4x plus 1. And 3 to the first power is just 3. Okay, so we have division. To get rid of division, we must do multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4x plus 1. Make sure you put in parentheses over here. Alrighty. So this cancels out. You get 4x squared minus 4 equals 12x plus 3. It's quadratic. Solve like a quadratic. Not getting them all, setting this equal to 0. And then negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Now I need to solve like a quadratic. So 4x squared minus 12x minus 7. Let's see some common factors. Well, we know that 7 times 1 is 7 times 1 is 7. So it has to be 7 and 1. Something's going to be negative. Something's going to be positive. So we have parentheses. We have positive, something negative. We know we have 7 times 1. So I know 7 times 4 is 28. Factors of 28 are, of course, 1 and 28. We know that's not true. 2 and 14. 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2 is 12. So 14 minus 2 is 12. So that means we're going to have let me go on and make the box. Mm-hmm. 14x negative. I'm sorry, the 2 has to be positive because the 12 is negative. So 2x negative 14x. Okay. And then, of course, we get a negative 7. And so only thing we can have right here is 1, 2x, and 2x, and negative 7. Alrighty. So that's 2x minus 7. 2x plus 1. Set both of these equal to 0 and solve. But remember, you cannot have a negative. So since we cannot have a negative, when I solve 2x plus 1, I get negative 1/2. That cannot be a solution. So the only solution, when I saw 2x minus 7, I get 7 over 2. So x has to be equal to 7 over 2 because I cannot get this negative right here. Negative 1/2 cannot be a solution. Alrighty.